फिल्म का टाइटल कैश, तो इस फिल्म में सबसे ज़्यादा कैश के पीछे भागते हुए कौन नजर आएगा?
सभी लोग कैश के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. I'm the only one. Actually, the film is about a robbery and con guys, and I'm the only one who is fighting against them. So I am taking care of the cash, and they're trying to rob it.
स्टोरी के बारे में भी बताएं, रॉबरी से ज़्यादा इसमें क्या क्या इट्स अ मल्टी स्टार फिल्म, तो स्टोरी के बारे में बताएं.
Well, the story is an action thriller, and it's a very, very slick, stylish film. All the characters are very, very different, very well presented by Anubhav. And well, like I said, it's about a robbery and it's about con guys, and it's got some great action in the film, which you'll see soon.
एक्शन फिल्म्स का स्पेशली आपका क्या टेक है एक्शन फिल्म?
Well, I'm a complete tomboy, and I love action films, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. So, मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. I loved it.
कितनी ट्रेनिंग गई है इसमें, क्योंकि लॉट ऑफ स्टंट्स यू डन ऑन योर ओन, कितनी ट्रेनिंग गई है?
Absolutely no training as such. We didn't really have the time to do any training, but we had a very good team out there, and the stunt coordinators, and they took very, very good care of us. Apart from that, yeah, we had to all work out and take care of our appearances. And well, I'm the head of security, so I was supposed to look really, really fit and lean. And I remember Anubhav telling me that there was one sequence where he wanted abs, so I had to work particularly hard on that. But other than that, I think everything is fine.
Co-stars की बात करें आपके साथ, अजय देवगन जी भी यू वर्किंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विद हिम, उनके अगेंस्ट था फिल्म में, तो कैसा था उनके साथ?
It was a wonderful experience working with him. I was actually a little nervous because firstly I didn't even know him, but right from the first day he was really friendly, very, very sweet, and I mean, he's a wonderful, wonderful co-star to work with. He's so relaxed on the set, and he's a wonderful actor, and everybody knows that. So I think I was very, very lucky to have had the opportunity to work with him.
फिल्म का म्यूजिक के बारे में हम बताएं, attract a lot of people coming on the radio, so फिल्म का म्यूजिक है.
I think this is one of Vishal Shekhar's best work. He's got a great blend of lounge, hip hop, rap. He's got some really, really nice music that you can listen to again and again and again. And I think it's one of the best albums this year.
शमिता, इस फिल्म में आपके लुक्स के बारे में काफ़ी बातें हो रही है, यू लुकिंग गॉर्जियस इन दिस फिल्म.
Thank you.
आपने अपने लुक्स पे कितना वर्क करा है?
Well, as far as the makeup was concerned, it was very minimalistic, not too much makeup, because she is playing the head of security. I had to cut like 10 inches off my hair, which was not very, very pleasant. And I had a flaming red color in my hair, which was really different. Apart from that, like I said, we had to really work hard on our bodies, but that's about it.
How many hours do you work out?
I just work out 1 hour, not more than that.
Being a sister, being Shilpa's sister, that is one thing, but apart from that, now you're looking so good in this film, people are comparing you. इसमें आप किस तरह से react करते हैं?
Well, it's really nice when your hard work is appreciated, and I don't think comparisons should be made though, because Shilpa is from a completely different league altogether, and she's been around for a longer time, so I don't think comparisons should be made.
How helpful is she as a sister, as a sister? कितना आपको help करती है, कितना inspire करती है?
Well, let me just put it that way. Every decision in my life is made with her help. I mean, I always take her advice on everything. So whether it's my career, my personal life, whatever, she is my sister first, and then an actress, then an artist.
कितने proud हैं आप?
I'm very proud. I think she deserves every bit of love and attention and fame that she's got today, and she deserves more than that. So I'm very, very proud for her.
Big Brother के बाद कितनी changes आए हैं?
Well, my life is the same. Her life has changed. She's become an international star now, so obviously it's different.
शमिता आप फिल्म आप काफ़ी सिलेक्टिव कर रहे हैं, बहुत कम फिल्म्स कर रहे हैं, तो we want to know, are you very choosy about films या
Yeah, I am, I think. I don't know. I mean, when I hear a script, something has to click. I have to like something, whether it's my character or the script in general, and I go with my instincts. So if I'm 100% sure about something, then I just go ahead and do the film. And for the past 2 years, I've not been very happy with the work that came my way. So I guess I decided to just you know wait and just let these two films come out. One is Cash, and there's another film down south with Madhavan. So that's about it. I was never really in a rush.
शमिता एक्ट्रेस नहीं होते तो क्या होता?
I don't know actually. I love doing what I'm doing today, and I can't imagine doing anything else. I don't know.
There are a lot of actors who are getting into singing in their films. उनके गाने जो थे, तो अगर आपको मौका मिले, would you also get into?
I'd love to. I'd love to experiment, but right now I'm concentrating on acting. I'd just like to concentrate on that for some time, and heaven knows, who knows what the future has in store.
शमिता, you've seen Brokeback Mountain?
Yes, I have.
शमिता, अगर वो बॉलीवुड में बनती तो which are the two male actors you think could have acted?
I have no idea. I have no idea. I would not like to comment on that.
Monsoons, now that the monsoons have already hit Bombay, so monsoons में आप क्या करना पसंद करते?
I like to sit at home and not go out much because I'm too scared of the floods and traffic, to be very honest. So if it's raining heavily, then I choose to just sit at home and just chill out and watch movies or something. That's it.
Shamita, is the rapid fire round. Rapid fire. Your style statement?
Very simple. Don't do much. I mean, I'm very, very comfortable in jeans and a t-shirt. I really don't do much.
Most comfortable in?
Jeans.
Nightwear?
Pajamas and a singlet.
Favorite dress?
I have many favorites. I can't choose one.
On your wedding, what would you like to wear?
I have no idea.
Men look cool when they...
Stop trying to be cool. Thank you.